Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw requests from Workfront with workflow transition rules, complete guide step by step clearly. To withdraw requests from Workfront using workflow transition rules, start by logging into your Workfront account. Navigate to the project where you want to implement withdrawal requests. Locate the Projects tab on the main navigation bar and select it. Next, find the specific project you are working on and click to open it. Once in the project view, go to the workflow settings, typically found in the project details section. Click on the Edit Workflow button to access the workflow settings. In the workflow settings, identify the stage where you want to establish the withdrawal rules. Select the transition option for that stage to open the transition settings. Within the transition settings, look for the option to create a new condition. Click Add Condition to define specific criteria for withdrawing requests. Choose the condition type that best suits your needs, such as request status or user roles. Now, set the parameters for this condition based on your requirements. After defining your condition, ensure that you select the action for what happens upon withdrawal. This action could involve moving the request back to a previous stage or canceling it altogether. Once all conditions and actions are set, review your workflow transition rules for accuracy. When satisfied, click Save to apply the changes to your workflow. To test your new withdrawal functionality, create a sample request to simulate the process. Initiate the request and then attempt to withdraw it using the rules you've just established. Monitor the transition to see if the request moves as specified in the workflow. If everything operates as intended, your workflow transition rules are successfully configured. If issues arise, revisit the workflow settings to troubleshoot any discrepancies. Make any necessary adjustments and repeat the testing process until you achieve the desired functionality. Ensure to communicate any changes in the workflow to your team for smooth collaboration. With these steps, you can effectively manage request withdrawals in Workfront through workflow transition rules. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.